Hi, in today's video, we're going to do a beginner's guide to mobile CPA offers that convert. And the reason I want to do this beginner's guide is because in the coming week or two, we're going to be doing a live case study on mobile CPA offers and a traffic source that I think will work well with these types of offers. So this is going to be an overarching theory video showing you everything you need to know about mobile CPA offers, how to make them work, where to find them, how they differ from one another, and some of the best traffic sources we can use for mobile CPA, because there's really a lot of money to be made with these offers because they convert so easily and there's just a ton of traffic. So if this is interesting to you, stay tuned. Let's get into it now. Okay, so let's talk about mobile CPA affiliate offers. These are offers that we get typically from most CPA affiliate networks, and they are things like app installs, where you get paid to get users to install an app, or you could get paid for somebody to submit an email. These are typically email submits or sweepstakes style offers. And you also have mobile offers where you get them to submit PIN numbers so that they get signed up to an SMS list. You also have mobile games, mobile subscriptions, and the list goes on. These are all offers that cater to people that are on their phones or their tablets. And since there's so much traffic for these people, there's really a lot of opportunity for affiliates, especially those who want to target this type of offer. So the first question comes down to, where can we find these types of offers and how much do they pay us, so we can start planning how we're going to actually promote them, which I'll get to at the end of this video. And I'm going to show a few networks that we can get access to, as well as some other ideas where you can find offers online. So let me pull up my computer here now, and we will go into the first network, which is Max Bounty. I use Max Bounty a lot in my examples because it's just really easy to see a lot of offers here since they have so many. But what you can do here is you can actually sort through here and you can search for mobile apps. Mobile apps are very popular because you are getting people to install an app. We have an example here of a CPI Clio banking app. They pay $1.50 for everyone that signs up to this app. So that is an example of where you get paid just to get somebody to install an app. And you can see some information about this. It is it's for people who are interested in managing their finances with ease, and they can benefit from features available on Clio's app. So there's an example. Let's look at another example here. This is Perform CB, another mainstream CPA affiliate network or performance marketing network. And you can see here they have a ton of available options here for apps. They have apps for utilities where you get paid per install. You can also see down here they have shopping apps and surveys as well. You can get people to fill out. These are for mobile. And as you scroll down, you'll see some more sweeps for phones, apps for finance, 21 campaigns available. Lots of apps available on this website, Perform CB. Then you have other non-mainstream networks such as Zdo. Now these offers are a little more aggressive, we'll call them, where they're really used for traffic sources that allow more aggressive types of apps. And we're going to talk about that here in a bit. And we're also going to cover that in our case study. So make sure you subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to like and share any videos and click the bell icon so you're notified of the case study we're going to be doing on one of these types of offers soon in the next few days. And I want to make sure that we cover what we're doing here. So this is another network here, like I said, Zdo, which allows you to find many different offers, anywhere from, cents, you're getting paid cents, or you're getting paid dollars for people to install and do certain things on their mobile phones here. Now, another place you can find mobile CPA affiliate offers is Offer Vault. If you just type in install here, you can see here that you'll get access to a bunch of offers that are installed. Some of them might not be mobile, so you can sort by the payout. Lower payouts typically are mobile app installs. You can do pin submit here, and you'll see that there are networks that have pin submits. And there's Aragon advertising comes up here a lot for those. We have Envious Media for pin submits and many other ones. You'll see 6 pages of offers for all of these mobile CPA offers that are available. So now we know where to find the offers. If you haven't gotten an account yet, a lot of the non-mainstream affiliate networks are easier to get access to. If you're going into a place like Max Bounty or Perform CB, you're going to have to apply, and you're going to need to be professional. You're going to have a website. You're going to need to be able to speak to these people and understand traffic sources, what you're actually doing to promote these offers. And that's why I wanted to do this video, so we can talk about how are we going to be promoting these offers and how are we going to get access to them so that we're in a position that we can start making money. So let's start talking now about how we get traffic to these offers. Typically speaking, we're going to be building landing pages, and next week we're doing a live stream on landing pages for any members of powerhouseaffiliate.com. So make sure you check the link in the description. We're going to be going over landing pages in detail, how to create them, the best landing pages for certain traffic sources. We're going to show examples of winning landing pages and what every landing page needs to convert and turn your visitors into cash. So make sure you subscribe to Powerhouse Affiliate for that and get access to that if that's something you're interested in. But basically, you're going to need a landing page. Where do you find landing pages that people are running? Well, here's an example. If we go to a tool like Anstrex, check out powerhouseaffiliate.com/Anstrex if you want to use my referral link. And you can get access to a spy tool that allows you to spy on what people are doing with mobile CPA offers. And you can see here just a ton of things you can search. I've done a search here for submit, just the word submit. So I can see people are promoting email submits, and these are offers that are being ran on certain traffic sources, which we'll be talking about here in a second. But all of these are going to a landing page. And you can actually see the landing page when you click on one of these. Let's just show you an example. You can see the landing page here. Maybe if it's alive, you can see it. Sometimes they're not, but here's an example of a landing page. Now this has so many different ways that this person's monetizing, but this is just one example. What I would do as somebody looking to get into mobile CPA offers is spend an hour or two just browsing through a tool like Anstrex, looking at what people are promoting. If you see an offer or a landing page that looks really cool, go find that offer on a place like Offer Vault or search the network you're in. And another way you can do this research is also to find offers that you think you might want to run and simply come over to Anstrex and search the offer itself. For example, one offer I think I want to promote is called Cash App. So if I find that on here, you'll see that tons of people are going to be probably promoting this Cash App, which is an app install that you get paid for from the networks. And you can see here, this is what people are doing to promote this app. You can see on multiple traffic sources, people are running this offer and they are getting paid probably anywhere from $1 to $4 for an install, depending on how much work the person needs to do to get that conversion. But basically, this is something I was looking into. So this is how you do your research. Either do a broad research, just come in and look in, or come in and search specific offers. So again, very simple for any beginners to come in here and start looking around and seeing what people are doing. And then we're going to start talking about traffic. So how are we going to get traffic? Once we've found the offer, we've gotten accepted into our network, we've found the landing page, we understand how to build a landing page because either you've watched one of my other videos on how to build landing pages or you're going to tune into the webinar next week. Either one, but now you've got your landing page. Now let's talk about traffic sources for these mobile CPA offers. The first traffic source I want to talk about is one of my favorites, and it is Google Ads, Google Display Ads in particular, because for anyone that's ran Google Display Ads before, you probably know that if you don't make certain changes to your campaign, you are going to get blasted with app traffic, in-app traffic from games and all that kind of stuff. Now, depending on what type of offer you're running, this could actually be good traffic for you. Mind you, there's going to be a lot of filtering going on here and trying to find the good games and apps that are going to give you the conversions you want. But the amount of traffic available through the Google Display Network for mobile app traffic is insane. So I would say if you have an offer that follows the rules of Google Ads, in particular offers in finance typically work well, app installs that are not casino related or other, shady types of things that people are doing, adult traffic and those things, you're going to stay away from Google Display Ads. But for the most part, a lot of offers will work through the display network as long as you have a landing page and you've set it up properly and you comply with the rules of Google Display Ads. Now, this is a very white hat approach to promoting these types of offers, and usually you have to find the right offer. The thing is, with most of these offers, especially when you go to places like Zdo, a lot of these offers would likely not work on Google Display Network. You're going to need a traffic source that allows for more leniency when it comes to pitching things like betting or crypto. You can see here a crypto simulator. All of these things, dating, are mostly adult dating. And the methods being used here are going to be more black hat or gray hat. So you're going to want to move into another type of traffic source, which typically is push ads. If you just search Google for push ads, you're going to find many. But one of the top ones is propeller ads here. And that is just one example. We have rich ads. If you search for push ads, you're going to find them. Basically, push ads are ads that pop up on people's phones. So I could be using my phone right now, and all of a sudden when I go to look at my notifications, I'm going to see that there's a notification here, and it could be something from some app I installed back in the day, whatever. This notification is now coming to my phone, and it's telling me maybe I could get free money from the Cash app or something like that. And basically what's going to happen is I'm going to see one of these ads on my phone as a notification. And that's going to trigger me to click on that and maybe install the app. That type of traffic source is very lenient, and you can see all of the types of traffic sources here simply coming up into Anstrex. And you can look at all of the ad networks that you can buy these these ads from. I think there's, a bunch here. You can see there's like 15 different traffic sources you can use just in this one spy tool. Another spy tool that you could check out is Adplexity as well. There is a 30% discount link down in the description, but basically you're going to see the same thing. You're going to see a whole bunch of different ad networks, and you can sign up for one of these ad networks and then come in and look at what everybody's advertising. So for example, if I sign up to this one ad network here, click star, and I do a search, I'll see exactly what people are doing on that one ad network with relation to the app that I searched for that I want to promote. That's how we're going to be doing the research for the case study as well. Is coming in here, picking our traffic source, which is actually in this list. I believe I see it. Yes, we will be doing it. That'll be a surprise, we'll say, next week when we do the case study. And we're going to actually go in and set up the landing page. We're going to set up the actual ads. We're going to see the results of the spend and how many conversions we got and what we need to do to actually optimize this campaign. So I'm going to leave it at that. If you want more information about mobile CPA offers, come over to the Powerhouse Affiliate blog and check out this post we just updated here. Just come over to the blog, search for mobile, and you're going to get the full blog post on this method. And then we're going to add to this. Next week, we're going to be doing a video case study for the YouTube channel. You'll be able to get free access to that. Just subscribe to this channel so you get access and updates when we post the next video on this traffic source that we're going to be using. And also, if you are new, completely new, and you need information on building landing pages, search our YouTube channel. Right now, you'll search for landing pages. You'll see some guides that I've already done on the channel on how to create landing pages. And for more in-depth insider information, check the link to Powerhouse Affiliate down below. Thanks for watching today, and we'll see you in the case study coming up in a couple of days.